breaking news alert. I'm Andrew Tiger Lee. We're in Williamsburg Bridge Plaza. We have a breakdown here. I just got off bus 6130 that just passed me. 6179 B44 SBS. And he broke down right at the first stop. Right at the first stop. Just as he was leaving, heading towards Sheepshead Bay. So as a result, this bus that just left, so I guess that this trip was gonna have to cover, so they have to cover this trip. So we have a missing one on the B44 select bus. Anybody that's trying to go up and down Nostrand Avenue, alright? And I just came back from a running race in Prospect Park, Brooklyn, where I booked my 10-miler. For a side note, I booked my 10-miler from a 127. It was 127.58, my final time. The previous record for the Jersey City half, the time split was 138.36, and that's more than 10 minutes. That is absolutely mind-blowing. And my strength coach, all right, that teaches the Barrys, she booked. Well, actually, she got first place in her age group, the 20 to 29-year-old, and she teaches at Barrys, and I'm one of the students there. Now I'm going in a few moments, but anywho, this is starting to become a problem with not only the breakdowns, but also the missing trips. So anybody that is going down to Brooklyn right now, or is in Brooklyn, and is trying to figure out why is there overcrowding, well, this is why. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and we'll talk soon.